Hi, I want to break down the windmill exercises and show you some different progressions and how to safely work up to them. If you've never done the windmill before, I recommend you start with the low windmill. And so you're going to have one hand overhead with your elbow locked, bicep to the ear. Now you're going to angle your feet 45 degrees to the opposite side from the hand that's overhead. And just pivot on your heels. Make sure your toes are parallel to each other 45 degrees. Now from here, the way you get into the windmill is not by pulling yourself down with the working side, but by pushing yourself laterally. So as I push here, opposition, this side's going to decrease. So I push, 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 push to come low. Now I pull and stay on the vertical, okay? Not allowing this to move here. Stay on a vertical like there's a wall here. So the first step is put the kettlebell on the inside of your foot, angle 45 degrees, lock out your arm overhead. Now the bottom hand is going to track along the inside of your thigh with the palm forward. You're going to inhale down, grab the kettlebell, exhale, pull. So it's a push and a pull. And that's the first step. The next step is going to be the overhead windmill. So you're going to bring the kettlebell overhead, lock it out. Now the form is the same. Angle the toes 45 degrees opposite side. Kick your hip, eyes here, chest up towards the sky. And the weight stays on this leg. Don't shift to that front leg. So it's inhale, pushing, push, 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 push. Keep the vertical, exhale, come up. Inhale, exhale. Now the third progression is double. So you don't want to be searching for this bottom kettlebell, because if I look for it, I'm going to change the angle and maybe lose control, hurt my shoulder. So you need to know where it is without looking. The way you do that is just place the inside of your foot against the bell. Angle, I know where the bell is because I can feel it. So now, push, pull, push, pull. And that allows you to load more, but the disadvantage is it reduces the range of motion with that second bell. So to put it all together, the final step here is you're going to step on some platforms. And this is to elevate so you can increase the weight as well as increasing the range of motion. Get your stable position. Press it out. Now you get that deeper range of motion. Inhale down, exhale up, and those are your 4 windmill progressions.